Google just dropped something massive, and I don't say that lightly. This isn't a small update. This isn't a new button somewhere in Google Docs. This is a full shift in how AI works inside your entire business. We're talking about AI that doesn't just help you write stuff. AI that actually runs your workflow from start to finish. And by the end of this video, you're going to see exactly why this changes everything and how you can use it right now to grow faster. So let's get into it. The big thing Google announced is called Workspace Intelligence. And the way I want you to think about it is this. Before, AI lived inside one app at a time. You'd open Docs, get some help writing. You'd open Gmail, get some help replying. But each app was its own little island. Had no idea what was happening anywhere else. Now that's completely gone. Workspace Intelligence connects everything. Your emails, your files, your chats, your meetings, your projects, all of it. You can now see the full picture of your business and act on it. That's not just useful. That's a completely different category of tool. Here's what that actually means in practice. Let's say you're running the AI Profit Boardroom. You've got members messaging you, emails coming in about partnerships, team chats flying around, documents being updated. Before, you'd have to manually pull all of that together, figure out what's urgent, and then go action it one thing at a time. With Workspace Intelligence, AI understands all of that in real time. It knows your priorities, knows your writing style, knows what's been said and what still needs to happen. And it starts doing the work for you. That's the shift, from assistant to operator. This is where it gets really exciting. Google is now calling this agentic AI, which basically means AI that takes multi-step actions on its own. So instead of you prompting it every 5 minutes, you give it a goal and it figures out how to get there. Imagine you run a weekly update for AI Profit Boardroom members. Normally you'd have to go through all your notes, pull the highlights, write the update, format it, and send it. With agentic AI inside Workspace, you just say the goal. It pulls your meeting notes, cross-references your files, drafts the update in your tone, and has it ready to go. You just review and send. That's hours back in your week, every single week. Now, before I keep going, I want to quickly tell you about something. If you want to learn how to use AI tools like this one to actually automate your business and save hours every week, you need to check out the AI Profit Boardroom. It's our private community where we go deep on exactly this stuff. Real workflows, real automation, real results for your business. We break down tools like Gemini Workspace, show you how to set them up step by step, and help you build systems that run without you. If you're serious about using AI to grow faster, this is where you want to be. Link is in the description. Go check it out after this video. Okay, so let's talk about the individual apps because the upgrades here are wild, starting with Google Docs. The new version of Docs can generate full drafts for you automatically, not just based on a quick prompt. It pulls from your emails, your previous files, your chat history, and builds a proper document from all of that combined context. So let's say you want to write a new onboarding guide for AI Profit Boardroom members. You don't sit down and write it from scratch. You tell Gemini and Docs what you need, it looks at your existing resources, your past emails to members, your community guidelines, and it builds you a full first draft. Your job becomes editing, not writing. That's a massive unlock for content teams and community builders. Google Sheets got a huge upgrade too. You can now build dashboards and analyze data using plain language. No formulas, no complicated setup. You just type what you want to know. Something like, show me which AI Profit Boardroom content topics got the most engagement last month, and it figures out the rest. It pulls the data, organizes it, visualizes it. For anyone running a community or a content business, this is a game changer because you can make smarter decisions way faster without needing a data analyst on your team. And then there's slides. Google Slides can now generate full presentations from a single prompt. And here's the part that's different from every other AI slide tool. It uses your actual data, your real numbers, your real brand, not generic templates and made-up examples. So if you wanted to put together a presentation showing the value of joining AI Profit Boardroom, showing what members learn, what tools they get access to, what results the community is getting, you could prompt it to build that deck using your actual community content and data. It pulls it together in minutes. That used to take hours. Now let's talk about meetings because this one is huge. Google is rolling out smarter meeting notes that work across virtual calls, in-person conversations, and even third-party platforms. It automatically creates summaries and action items after every meeting. And I want you to think about what that means for a business like this. Every call with a potential partner, every team sync, every member Q&A session gets captured, summarized, and turned into clear next steps without anyone having to take notes. Nothing falls through the cracks. Everything gets done. That's a serious operational upgrade. There's also something called Workspace Studio, which lets you turn your most common workflows into reusable automations called skills. So let's say every time you onboard a new AI Profit Boardroom member, there's a process. Send the welcome email, add them to the right groups, share the starter resources, follow up after day 3. With Workspace Studio, you can turn that entire process into a single automated skill that runs every time without you touching it. and your team can share and reuse these skills across the whole business. Standard processes become instant, repeatable actions. That's how you scale without burning out. The integration side is also massive. Gemini Workspace now connects beyond Google tools. Talking CRMs, project management platforms, support systems, even works across Microsoft 365, which means if your business uses a mix of tools, AI can still connect the dots across all of them. No more switching between 10 different tabs to get a full picture. No more data stuck in silos. Everything talks to everything. And for a business that's running automations, managing a community, producing content, and handling customer support all at once, that kind of unified view is incredibly powerful. Gmail got smarter too. The new AI inbox prioritizes your most important emails automatically. It suggests actions, learns what matters to you. We're moving toward a self-managing inbox, which honestly can't come fast enough. And on top of that, Google has added AI video creation directly inside Workspace. You can generate branded videos from presentations using custom avatars and brand elements. Think about what that means for training content, for explainer videos, for onboarding new AI Profit Boardroom members. You build a slide deck, you hit generate, and you've got a video. That's a content machine right there. So where is all of this heading? Right now, AI still needs you to give it instructions. You set the task, it executes. The direction is clear. The next step is AI that proactively completes work before you even ask. It sees a pattern, it knows what needs to happen, and it does it. The skills and integrations being built right now are laying the foundation for that level of autonomy. And the businesses that start building with these tools today are the ones who will be operating at a completely different level in 12 months. This matters because we're talking about tools used by billions of people. When Google moves like this, the whole game shifts. Adopters who build their workflows around these capabilities are going to have a serious efficiency advantage. They're going to produce more, move faster, and do it with smaller teams. AI stops being a nice to have and becomes core infrastructure for how the business runs. Businesses that win here are the ones who get strategic about it. They decide what to automate first. They design their workflows to take advantage of these tools. They train AI using their real business context so it gets better over time. Starting early compounds. The more you use it, the smarter it gets about your specific business. The longer you wait, the bigger the gap becomes. If you want to go deep on this and actually implement Gemini Workspace automation inside your business, come join us in the AI Profit Boardroom. We build out workflows like everything I just showed you, with real templates, real SOPs, and step-by-step guidance built for entrepreneurs. This is not theory. This is hands-on execution. Link is in the description below. And if you want to start for free, join the AI Success Lab. It's our free community with over 67,000 members who are all using AI to build and grow their businesses right now. You'll get the full video notes from this video, access to 100 plus AI use cases, and a community of people who are actually doing this stuff. Links are in the comments and description. Go grab your spot, and I'll see you in the next one.